Hey guys, welcome to another video and on another, well yeah, but there's probably no one watching this. Anyway, so this person, this girl, she's called iDarkHorse22 and her best friend, yeah, is basically the person who logged into my account and took like my ShE, my drip set, my sorbet, everything that I had good, but luckily I've got back, as you can see. I bought the D pack, by the way. And now my turtle's not cute because I leveled it up. Okay. Yandir. Oh, crazy. MSP. Oh my god, lag. So annoying. Hurry up. Okay, I'm just gonna say I'm recording right now. I'm going to go onto gifts and show that she did. Oh my god. That's 3 L's. That is 1 L. All my stuff. Okay. I know this is like a bit like childish, but come on. ShE and sorbet are like amazing. And all my drips. Okay, so given. And I have a lot of gifts, and don't ask, I've given loads of stuff to my other account. It was meant to be a rare account, but I can't be bothered to send them back. Yeah, I'm just like, you know. Oh, this is taking forever. Oh my god. Okay, let me entertain you while, you know. Oh my god, lag is real. That's the person. That's the person. Sorry. Oh, for sake. This is taking too long, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I like to prove a point. So, you know, this person scammed me as well. Mystery dress. A mystery dress. Ah, found it. This is the person. See? Okay. And yeah, okay, let me find the bit where she took my ShE, because that was like my favorite thing ever. And it was a black one as well, so I loved it. Where is it? Okay, drip cap, you see? Golden curls, flame shoes, sorbet, hair, dress, another drip cap. Yeah, sorry, I'm really mad about this. Just saying. Yeah. See? ShE, another drip cap, another sorbet dress. And yeah, she took so much good stuff. As you can see. Please report her. Look, my ShE. I loved it. Anyway. That is for you, iDarkHorse22. Yeah. You need to not be her best friend. And she knows her in real life, so yeah. I don't believe her. Okay. I appreciate anyone who's watching this. I can't talk. Okay. Bye.